Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this bomb twist out, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by applying my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. So I'm doing a chunky 2-strand twist, so I'm just sectioning my hair off. Now I'm going to be adding the Moisture Miracle Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. Using my Be Careful brush to make sure that there are no tangles so that I can have a bomb twist out. Now for the fun part, I am going to be adding the Curls Unleashed Color Blast in the color Sangria. So I'm just taking large sections, combing the product through, and then just doing a 2-strand twist throughout my hair. So now that my hair is completed, I'm going to be sitting under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to show you how I separate my twists, and can you guys see this bomb definition? Definitely excited about this twist out. So here are my final results. I am loving this two-tone color. Definition is bomb, color is bomb, loving it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.